See, we had a little ice storm last night. Look, a trap. I believe it's a female. It is. It's a Debbie. Say hi, Debbie.
You're dumb.
Will you mind me?
Yeah.
Yeah, isn't this beautiful? February the what, Debbie? 18th?
18.
Yeah. 4:20 in the afternoon. This ice has been all over everything all day. Anyhow, I'm gonna let Debbie do the filming. Alright, what I'm doing today, a friend of mine gave me this Mac 1010A, Baybook 1970. I waited a few minutes ago with, I think that's a 20-inch bar. I just got it off the wall, 18 or 20. And with that bar, the saw weighs 14 pounds, 6 ounces. So the family light saw made about 1970. Anyhow, when I got it, it wasn't running. Plug wire was broke. Recoil started, needed a rope on it. I broke that trying to get it running. I replaced it with power cord, which I do most of the time. It works for me. It needed a good cleaning inside and out. Had a broken bolt off right there. It gave me a fit. I couldn't get it out. I ended up using JB weld and thread and net. So I don't know if that's gonna hold or not. If it don't, I got 3 more plans. The strap was gone. I got that off a part saw. Anyhow, I started it a few minutes ago. It's not idling right. I think it needs a carb kit. I can't get it to slow down to the speed that I want it. So let's start it up and see how it cuts. cut by, I didn't know it, but I grabbed the bar. It needs attention. I sharpened it before I came out here. Changed plenty sharp, but I didn't cut all the way through. That bar needs to be dressed. The bottom of the bar is low on this side, and then there's this side because it's cutting to the left. That's my bad. So I'll dress that up. Maybe throw it in another bed sometime. But anyhow, still probably needs a carb kit. And the bar dressed. And I think it'll be ready to cut some firewood. So, hope you enjoyed the vid. Thanks for watching.